Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. Cole Swanger is here with me. We are going to hit the Mason-Dixon Trail and climb into Muddy Creek Gorge. Let's go. Cole says we're going to start this hike with a huge climb, so here we go, straight up. But you can see across the gorge here, some power line stuff over there, but Muddy Creek's way down here. Still a couple houses making their way back in, but I think that's probably about the last one. So what's the payoff? What are we looking for today?
Waterfalls, cascades, whitewater rocks.
Man, see, you pull me in every time, you know, when you talk like that. It gets me going, gets me off the couch. Hiked yesterday, lacrosse practice at night. Kind of wanted to sit around today, but waterfalls, cascades, yeah, I'm in. So we just crossed the power line cut, so wonder if these aren't from an old power line tower or something. There's the other cut. It went up this way. Alright, so looking back down into the gorge, you can see Muddy Creek. Looks very calm right now, but that'll be flowing soon. Crossing a dry tributary. Flow down the Muddy Creek down that way. Trail crosses it. Nice little campsite here on the bend, and then if you just listen, probably can't hear that, but there's some falls just down there. Through the rhododendron. Oh my goodness. Look at these rocks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're going down there. We are way under that big rock ledge. And at the point where, yeah, there's a rope. A lot of leaves, trail's a little muddy. That's gonna leave a mark. Oh. Gotta climb back up that, huh? Just making sure. I sense a trend with Cole Swanger hikes. He has been kicking my butt lately, but we are here at Muddy Creek. We're here at Muddy Creek. I keep confusing it with the power plant across the way there, but we're down at the base of that kind of Silverthread fall here. There's a little bit of flow up there, kind of a second tier right in here. Just stunning. Just look at how that's been carved out, scoured away. Seems to be a trailer over here that has been beached and eroded away. I know that the Otter Creek area just like north from here tends to flood in and out from time to time, so I wonder where that was brought from. This trail that we took down is designated on all trails as the sunlit path. It doesn't actually show a path, but it has like a circle with a little picture for the sunlit path. And you can see on the far side, the side that we're on probably likely is never lit, but as the sun gets higher, it's actually probably going to come down, maybe light up those falls at some point. So Muddy Creek kind of, I think, gets its name down by the river where it mixes with the Susquehanna. The water was actually flowing in to Muddy Run from the Susquehanna when we first got here, when we first saw it. Now it's definitely flowing towards the Susquehanna, but it is very clear up here. Really nice looking. Just for perspective, how big this rock is. Worth it to go down to those falls, but I climb back up. Cole, ever eagle-eyed, noticed a pair of boots up there in a tree 30 feet up, which raises questions. Number one, are there feet in those boots? It's too high for us to check. And number two, we walked at least 1.5 miles to get to this point. You throw your boots up in a tree. How do you get out? Do you have extra boots? Do you tie bark to your feet? Do you make duct tape shoes? We got questions. Got the little wide shot here, this little valley that we're walking through. A lot of trees and stuff down. But you got this big little gully leading down the Muddy Run, the rhododendron. A couple months, it's probably going to be amazing. And then just around the bend here, we got some ruins again. So maybe used to be a dam or a bridge across here. From that side, the wall goes around there for a bit, probably to that tree. Big lump of quartz here. I don't notice it on the Lancaster County side, but when I'm over here in New York County side, you'll be walking and then just boom, this brilliant white pieces of quartz popping out of the ground. They're just laying there. And it's funny because, you know, in a long time ago in history, this, you know, even before predating one of the oldest rivers in the world, I mean, these were, York and Lancaster were probably connected before the Susquehanna cut through it. So why is it, you know, why do you have the differences on either side? But I don't know. It's a question for Topo Ranger probably. Comment below. All right, so don't go this way maybe. I mean, just for clarifications, I just really want to be sure. Maybe don't go up that way. Really? Really, a 3x3 square. We get it. More wreckage, maybe, no idea. Parts of a vehicle, perhaps? Mining equipment, logging equipment.
Well, big rocks around the corner, but this is a really nice spot.
Definitely not cloudy down in there, not muddy. But this is Muddy Creek, starting to hit the rapids here. Walk upstream here a little bit more. Some caves and crevices, these big rocks. This is big pothole over here. One on the rock face here. There is ice up here, still in this pothole. up on top of these rocks, way above this. This will be great. Cole's sending up the drone. He's going to try and fly upstream here, down at water level. All right, that wraps it up. What a hike. What a strenuous, grueling hike as always I've come to expect from Cole Swanger. Check him out on Instagram. His work is fantastic and he is really gonna have a lot of good images from this hike. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.